Hello traders, it's Alberto, and this is the update for the Wizard Forex system review. And this is a follow-up from yesterday's video. Now, I forgot to mention also, if you set all your charts to 1 hour, make sure you check the 4 hour from time to time, because I didn't check the, for example, pound USD. I was trading off the 1 hour chart, and there was no signal generated, so I switched over to the 4 hour chart, and there it was, right there. So I entered a trade targeting the, I guess the next support level would be here, right there. So that's about 30 pips away. So we have USD, let me go through all of them. Aussie dollar, there's a trade signal right there. Now this is very close to a support, so I'm going to watch this one and make sure it doesn't turn around and head north. But what I like about this is that price action, understanding price action really helps when you use these signals. We have consolidation and finally a break below the consolidation area, so that signal was valid. I went over the pound dollar just now. USD, yen, we had this trade signal. Actually, I just took this trade on my own. This is not based on a trade signal. New Zealand yen, there's the signal there, and it's continuing to sell off. Aussie New Zealand was a big winner today. There was the signal here, generated a signal, and so far we're up quite a bit on this pair, about 39 pips so far. USDCAD, this is most recent. Just took this trade just now, but I will be exiting this trade because we do have news events and coming out in about an hour and a half from now. And I think here's one for pound CAD, and I saw this and I saw the hammer right there, so I'm just going to wait on this. I'm not going to take this trade until it goes lower. Okay, and I think those are the only ones I've covered so far. Okay, so we're in profit in all of these at the moment. So I'll come back in about an hour. I'll probably exit these trades before the New York session and then see and wait if there's a continuation. Okay guys, I'm going to just send this video out, and then I'll make another one, an update. But so far we've got Aussie New Zealand is a signal. The USD Swiss, USD yen that you see here was not a signal. That was my own trade. So this was a signal. Aussie New Zealand, USD CAD was a signal from the Wizard. Pound dollar, the most recent trade signal based on the 4 hour chart, which I like seeing because if everything lines up on a 1 hour, 4 hour chart, then these trades usually tend to last a lot longer. Notice prior sell on Aussie pound dollar, notice that they lasted quite a long time. So check your 4 hour chart. I go back and forth. Like this one here, let's see if there's anything on the 4 hour chart in New Zealand. Nothing on the 4 hour chart. This is just a 1 hour trade signal. And I'm targeting the support level down here. New Zealand yen, same thing. Or rather Aussie yen. Let's switch over to Aussie yen. Okay, and is there anything on a 4 hour chart? Nothing so far. Okay, so go. You know, I tend to just toggle between the 1 hour and 4 hour chart from time to time. You don't have to do it all the time because it is a 4 hour candle. So within 4 hours, if there's a trade signal, then you'll see it. If you just have to check it from time to time. All right, that's it for the review on Wizard Forex system, and I'll send an update later today on these trades.